The Man, the Horse, and the Falcon. One day, a man stood in front of a big stone castle. He wore a long, dark coat with silver designs. The man looked strong and brave. Next to him was a big black horse. The horse was tall and quiet. It had shiny eyes and a long mane. The man held the horse with one hand. On the man's other arm sat a falcon. The falcon was brown with sharp eyes. It looked ready to fly into the sky. The castle behind them was very old. It had tall towers and strong walls. Torches burned with bright fire, giving warm light. The man smiled a little. He loved his horse, and he trusted his falcon. They were his best friends. The horse could run fast across the land. The falcon could fly high and see far away. Together, they made the man feel safe. The man said softly, "Today is a new journey. We are ready." The horse moved his head, and the falcon opened its wings. The three friends stood tall in front of the castle. They were ready for adventure.